Alright folks, so I'm unboxing this Mercusys or something router which I've got from Amazon. Now let's see, what do we have inside? Another Amazon box. Sometimes they do too much of packaging, sometimes they don't do anything, claiming to be doing it for the environment. Now, why do we have multiple boxes here? They have not even applied tape properly. So they have put this SD card inside the box. And here is the router. So there are two items which are included here. Switch on flashlight. Alright, so this is AX3000 dual band Wi-Fi router, MR80X faster Wi-Fi full immersion, ultra fast Wi-Fi speed up to 3 gigabits per second. Connect 4x more devices, OFDMA for more stable connections. I don't know what is it. Beamforming with high gain antenna, minimum buffering and lag, robust dual core processor. Overall security protection, latest WPA3 wireless encryption. Okay, here I think same thing, 160 megahertz. I think on AC or Wi-Fi 5 it will support up to 1200 megabits per second, so it's a mid-range router. I'm comparing it with a D-Link router of half the speed. Now hopefully this will give me better speed, because on 5G I'm not getting enough speed on D-Link, and sometimes it has latency issues also. Quickly capturing the label here. It was manufactured in July 2023, actually imported. I'm not sure when it was manufactured. It's fairly recent import. Typical cardboard inside box. There you go. It's a Wi-Fi router with typical, most probably 12 volt adapter. Checking the specs. It's 12 volt 1.5 ampere. 100 to 240 volts AC input. Indian plug. I think there is no patch cord provider. Yeah, there is one. Here. Some basic documentation. And here's the router. Hopefully you can hang it. Yes, you can. No, I'm not capturing. Yeah, the SSIDs are here. Password is also here. Serial number is here. Okay. So there you go, guys. You can have multiple orientation of these antennas. Antennas look tall enough, so hopefully they will perform better than the D-Link router which I have right now. Thank you so much for watching. I will be posting a detailed review. after a while, after testing the unit. There seems to be some scratch here, some minor scratch here. Not sure if you can capture. Yeah, there you go. Anyway, let me quickly remove this. So it's a glossy finish with vents here. So fingerprint magnet to avoid fingerprints here. Okay, I'm not sure if it has LEDs. I don't see it. We have 4 ports here, 1 for WAN, 3 for LAN. Obviously all are gigabit. There is no USB connectivity, what I can see. Yeah, there's no USB. So it's basically a entry-level router. Hopefully it does the job. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.